Can I still lower it a little bit?
I don't know. Just give it a minute before that long.
Yeah, we'll be up there, won't it?
To look at the fire come up through the hill.
No, I meant to come on the top.
Oh, y'all ready to start cooking?
Yes.
Toss it on there.
Yeah, I remember her.
Do we need to lower it?
I don't know. Upstairs would be
Yes.